Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. And today what we are going to discuss is how you can make ChatGPT your iPhone's default search engine through Safari. What you need to do is just go to your App Store, and after going to your App Store you need to download the ChatGPT first. If you have already downloaded, you don't need to re-download it, but I'm telling you, for those who haven't downloaded ChatGPT, you just need to go in the search bar and type ChatGPT here, ChatGPT. And after searching, you see that there's an application like this will come up. You just need to download it from here, as I have already downloaded it. So I need to go back. After downloading, you need to go to your settings, and after going to settings, just swipe up. You see that there is an option of apps. Just tap on this app action, and now you need to search for Safari, which will be in the S section. You need to go into S section, which will be in the bottom. You see that there is a Safari app. Just tap on it, and after going to Safari app, you need to swipe up, and you see there is an option of extension here in Safari app. Just tap on it and make sure you have allowed this extension, as it is already off at the moment. What I'm doing here is enabling and allowing the extension. What it will do here is it will automatically convert our Safari browser into ChatGPT. Now if I go back, let's test it, and if I search for anything like hello, I think it isn't working. Okay, so if you see in the bottom of your browser, Safari browser, there's a window. Just tap on it, and after tapping on it, you just see that there is a manage extension. Tap on it and make sure your GPT option is enabled. If you enable this and make sure done, whatever you type here, it will automatically take you to ChatGPT search. For example, if I'm searching for like just hello, it will automatically take me to ChatGPT screen. Okay, so from here, the option here on the bottom left corner, you make sure that your ChatGPT search is enabled. So that's how you can make your ChatGPT your iPhone default search engine browser through Safari. I hope this video is helpful to you and it enhances your experience to your iPhone. Until next video, bye bye, and please stay tuned.